Number 1 worry was spinning it into a tree. Second to that, fueled by a quarter-century's collective bench racer wisdom on the Viper, was the fear that the car would be a shoddily waxed-together animal. No brains, all muscle. And sure, the brake pedal of this 1993 Viper is so much higher than its accelerator that heel-toeing the thing would require some sort of quadruple ankle joint. The dashboard could only have been conceived with the help of the Fisher-Price design team. And your long of torso, 5 foot, 11-inch correspondent found the windshield's top frame exactly at eye level, precluding use of the Dodge's bikini top. Exactly none of that matters. The RT10, displayed as a concept in 1989 and fast-tracked into production for 1992, is fundamentally a first-generation Mazda Miata designed by a brass band's worth of star-spangled idiots. Every input is rewarded with a predictable output. The Dodge's 6-speed shifter snaps into position with welcome precision. Its steering exhibits a magnificence that no modern car can touch. The steering wheel, with no airbag, speed reads tarmac Braille and spits the translation directly into your hands. Brake feel could be generously described as wooden, but the binders never lack for power, and the modern Michelin Pilot Sport PS2 rubber-fitted to later stock-size wheels on our test car helped bring the proceedings to a quick halt. Stoking the 488 cubic inch V10 begins with an inauspicious rumble through the Viper's side pipes and builds, via honking crescendo, into a jungle roar. Look around the windshield frame and through a left-hand corner, hit apex, apply throttle upon exit, look down through the glass at the upcoming right-hander, decelerate, thrill to the basso profundo overrun, repeat, or just point the long nose at the horizon and let 8.0 liters carry you away. A bold anachronism from the very beginning, the RT10 is an elemental testament to the pleasure of mechanized movement. The Viper was far too weird to last 25 years without further refinement, but that doesn't stop us from concluding that the car in its original form was a paragon of bizarre perfection.
Yeah.